I'm so grateful that I only have to work 2 to 3 hours a day. Would you like to start an online business, but you feel like you just don't have the time? Maybe you're working 50, 60 hours a week and there's just no time and you don't have enough time with the kids as it is. I found a blueprint that is based around a 2 to 3 hour workday. So I was really excited about it. I was a little nervous and a little skeptical, thinking, you know, is this going to really work? Am I going to get my investment back? How long is it going to take? Oh my goodness. You know, is this a scam? All those things went through my mind. But then I got to take a look at and see how many people were having success with this. It was crazy how many people were. And so I wish I had found this like 10 years ago or 20 years ago when my kids were little. It would have made such a big difference on times where they were sick. I would have been able to be home with them. I waitressed for 30 years, so there was no sick days, there was no sick time, and I was in the type of place that you went to work or you were looking for someplace else. So these are digital products that teach you the skills that everybody needs. The most important skills is how to find customers. So it opens up to everybody, because whether you have a business, whether it's brick and mortar or it's online, everybody needs to have customers. And this is what this digital e-learning program teaches you. There's actually 4 different programs in it, and you earn 100% of the profit, and it teaches you to make daily pay. There's one of my payments right there. So it teaches you to make daily pay. It gives you the automations that are pre-built, so you don't have to do it, so you don't have to have any tech skills, thank God. And then it's all based around a 2-hour workday, which gives you the time back, and you don't even have to do it all in one 2-hour chunk. You can do it however it fits into your schedule. The important thing is you don't need a following, you don't even need an email list, you don't even need any experience with this. It's incredible because it teaches you to build an email list. It teaches you how to grow a following. And you don't even have to come on a video if you don't want to. You can do faceless. Where the most popular product is the Legacy Builder. Okay? It teaches you how to get customers, whether you're brick or mortar. It also teaches you how to make a product or a program, whether you want to resell the product or program or whether you just want to create one. And then it also gives you a business in a box, because it teaches you how to get customers, how to attract people to you just by producing content online. So if that sounds like something you would like to do, here's more of payment proofs. Comment ready. I would absolutely love to share this with you.